my name is Isabel, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the geologic history of Iceland. So, Iceland's present location is located in the North Atlantic Ocean, and it's located on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge in between, or on the ridge of the North American Plate and then the Eurasian Plate. Iceland is also located over a hotspot called the Iceland Plume, which gives it a very high rate of volcanic activity. So Iceland's mineral composition is made mostly out of basaltic rocks, and these rocks are very prominent when it comes to storing CO2. Over here we have a diagram on how the CO2 gas bubbles are stored in the rocks. They are, these rocks cover around 1/3 of Iceland, so they make up mostly 90% of the mineral composition in Iceland, and it's a volcanic region, so the seafloor spreading creates the mid-ocean ridge basaltic rocks. The CO2 is also able to be extracted from those rocks. So the geologic changes that have happened in Iceland had three major formations. So the first formation took place about 16 to 18 million years ago. The second formation took place about 3 million years ago, and the third formation took place about 10,000 years ago. The creation of Iceland is extremely important when looking at the geological parts that make up Iceland. Iceland was created by volcanic activity, and this activity led to the magma coming up to the surface and cooling, and then it created a new crust. So on the left right here, we have a diagram of the crustal relocation of the Iceland rift zones, and this is over the last 12 million years. And then on the right here, we have arrays of volcanic fissure swarms. So it's basically like all the different levels that make up, like underneath in the rocks and in the formation of the land. So Iceland currently, they have very, very, very high volcanic activity. Right here, this is a diagram of the seismic activity in Iceland. Now, this diagram does say that it's from 2002, its present activity level, but after doing extensive research on this, it has just gone up. There's lots of research that says that there's, multiple earthquakes every single day in Iceland. They are very right in the heat of a hotspot. So these events include several earthquakes from ranging from 6.5 to a 7. I also did find out from my research that the earthquakes in Iceland do not go over a 7. Okay, so the future of Iceland, this is right here, this is a diagram of that Iceland lies atop of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge where the two plates drift apart. And so over time in the future, Iceland is going to continue, the two parts are going to continue to drift apart. So it is expanding at a rate of 2 centimeters each year. And it's causing this, the fact that it is located on top of this North Atlantic Ridge is causing, since the new magma is being created, it's causing the tectonic plates to drift further and further apart. And Iceland just keeps becoming even more active throughout the years and moving more on top of that hotspot.